You're watching the KUSI News at 10.
It may be summertime, but for some students, the learning continues. KUSI's Ed Lenderman takes us to a summer camp involving UC San Diego's Sally Ride science program.
Somebody tell me what a component of vinegar is. What is vinegar like?
That's Scripps Institution of Oceanography marine biologist Cynthia Matsky. And on the opening day of the UC San Diego Sally Ride Science Junior Summer Academy, she's teaching a course in culinary chemistry. Wait a minute, isn't the 4-week camp at Mission Bay High School about getting young women students interested in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics? Yes, but now they've made it into STEAM by adding an arts component.
We want to look at that intersection between science and the arts. There's a lot of people that hang out in that intersection where they're like, I kind of like science, but not overly. I kind of like arts, but not overly. And there's this beautiful intersection of the two, and that's what we're really harvesting.
In growing the next generation of scientists. And things grow a lot faster if you don't necessarily stick to a single discipline. We should also note that while the focus here is on female students, 6th grade through 12, 10% of the attendees are male students, and all 450 participants from school districts all over the county. Nicole Dixon will be a sophomore at La Costa Canyon High School. It was her mother who brought the academy to Nicole's attention.
I've been interested in engineering for a while, and she was looking at a ton of engineering courses over summer that I could do, and she found the Sally Ride program, and it just sounded really fun. And
make it interesting academically, but make it fun too.
And this is a type of cuisine from Russia called Georgian cuisine. And after talking with the chef, I said, oh my gosh, I'm teaching a class this summer at UC San Diego, Sally Ride Science. Can you give me your publication?
So while this was the first day, registration for the Academy is still open. If you're a parent or a student watching us right now, you go online, Sally Ride Science, that's all one word, sallyridescience.ucsd.edu. sallyridescience.ucsd.edu. At Mission Bay High School, Ed Lenderman, KUSI News.